You fight with the strength of many men, Sir Knight. I am Arthur, King of the Britons. I seek the finest and bravest knights of the land to join me in my court of Camelot. You have proven yourself worthy. Will you join me? You make me sad. So be it. Come, Patsy.
None shall pass.
What?
None shall pass.
I have no quarrel with you, good Sir Knight, but I must cross this bridge.
Then you shall die.
I command you, as King of the Britons, to stand aside.
I move for no man.
So be it. Stand aside, worthy adversary.
Just but a scratch.
A scratch? But your arm's off.
No, it isn't.
But what's that then?
I've had worse.
You liar.
Come at me, pansy.
Holy shit.
Ah!
Victory is mine. We thank thee, Lord, that in thee mercy.
Come on, then.
What?
Have at you.
You are indeed brave, Sir Knight, but the fight is mine.
Oh, had enough, have you?
Look, you stupid imbecile, you've got no arms left.
I have.
Look!
This is a flesh wound.
Look, stop that!
Chicken. Chicken.
I'll have your leg too.
Right, I'll do you for that.
What are you gonna do, bleed on me?
Come here.
You'll what?
Come here. I'm invincible.
You're a loony.
The Black Knight always triumphs.
Okay, we'll call it a draw. Come, Patsy.
Oh, had enough, eh? Come back and take what's coming to you, you yellow goofballs. Come back here and take what's coming to you. I'll bite your legs off.